In this video, I am going to cover about criteria of similarity of triangles and theorem on area of similar triangles. First one, definition of similarity of triangles. When two triangles are similar. If only but two triangles given, they are similar. It implies their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here, main important part you should know the meaning of corresponding angles and corresponding sides. Which sides of two triangles known as corresponding sides, or which angles of two triangles are known as corresponding angles. Just two triangles drawn here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In ABC and PQR, if angle A equal to P, B equal to Q, and C equal to R, then A and P are known as corresponding angles. If angle A equal to 50 degree, P equal to 50 degree, then these two angles are known as corresponding angles. In both triangles, the angles which are equal to each other known as corresponding angles. Since angle A equal to P, therefore corresponding angles of both triangles are A and P. B equal to Q, here corresponding angles are B and Q. If C equal to R, then corresponding angles are C and R. Now second, corresponding sides. For corresponding sides, one method I am telling you that's very easy. In first triangle, write down three sides in numerator: AB, BC, and C. Just I have written numerator AB, BC, and C. In denominator, corresponding to AB, if you want to search, just check. Side AB is opposite to which angle? Angle C. Side AP is opposite to angle C, and angle C equal to R in second triangle, and opposite to R is PQ. Therefore, AB upon PQ. Similarly, BC is opposite to angle A, and A equal to P, and opposite to P, QR. Therefore, BC upon QR. And then third side, CA upon same pattern. CA is opposite to B, and B equal to Q, and opposite to Q is PR or RP. Therefore, corresponding sides AB and PQ are corresponding sides. BC and Q are corresponding sides. CA and RP are corresponding sides. Ratio of corresponding sides are equal or same. That is written here. If two triangles are similar, if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. In this pattern, you can say two triangles are similar. Remember the definition. Now, next we have to discuss different criteria for similarity of triangle. Criteria means minimum requirement for two triangles by which we can prove these two triangles are similar. This is the sign of similarity. You will write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Next criteria are what is the requirement. First criteria is written heading as triple A similarity or AA similarity. Triple A and double A both is same. It implies if two triangles, all three corresponding angles are given, then both triangles are similar. Or in other words, you can see if two angles of one triangle equal to corresponding two angles of other triangle, again they are similar. Because if two angles are equal, then third is also equal. Therefore, differential we can write as in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and two triangles are similar. In other words, you can say the first minimum requirement to prove two triangles are similar is if corresponding angles of both triangles are equal, then you can write both triangles are similar. And if triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. For example, two triangles given here. Here easily you can observe angle A equal to 50 degree, Q equal to 50 degree. Yes, 60 70 written, 60 70 written. Now corresponding angles you can search here easily. Angle A equal to angle Q, both are 50 degree. Next, angle B equal to 60 and here 60 degree, angle R, therefore B equal to R. And now remaining angle means C equal to B. If corresponding angles are equal, then two triangles are similar. Now triangles are similar, it implies you will not write the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In proper order you have to write. You are writing triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. In same order you have to write. There is importance of order if symbol you are using. Means triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP in proper order written. It implies first triangle means A equal to Q. Second angle B equal to R and third angle C equal to B. The proper order you have to write. The triangle ABC is similar to angle QRP. Now, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now corresponding sides again in numerator write down from first triangle ABBCCA. To write the corresponding sides there are two options. One method, if triangle written in proper order, AB written, AB means first and second point I have taken. In second triangle in denominator again you take first and second point means QR, AB upon QR equal to BC, second third point taken, BC upon here second third point second triangle RP, BC upon RP means corresponding side to BC in second triangle is RP. Now third CA, CA means third and first point taken. Therefore in second triangle again we will write from third to first means PQ, CA upon PQ. If triangle with symbol in proper order you are writing, then easily you can write corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Or second option from figure also you can write. In figure AB written, AB is opposite to C and C equal to P and opposite to P is QR. Therefore AB upon QR equal to BC. BC is opposite to A and A equal to Q and opposite to Q RP. Therefore BC upon RP equal to third CA. CA is opposite to B and B equal to R and opposite to R PQ. Therefore CA upon. Two options are there by which we can write corresponding sides. And after that you can write both triangles are similar. The first minimum requirement to prove two triangles are similar, that is triple assimilarity. With three angles of first triangle equal to three angles of second triangle, then you can say both triangles are similar. One more example. Just here you observe in figure 90 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree, 40 degree. Generally, if any students observe here, directly you can say these two triangles are not similar. Because here 50, 40 given, here 90 and 50 given. Wherever two angles given, step first you find out third angle. The 90 and 50 given, it implies third angle 180 minus sum of P and Q. 180 minus 90 plus 50 means 140. Subtract, you will get 40 degree. Angle R is 40 degree. So 50 degree, 50 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree, and it is 90 degree. Here also we subtract, usually you can find angle Z is 90 degree. But here also I want to cover double asymmetry if two angles are equal also we can see similar. Here angle Q equal to X equal to 50 degree. Second, angle R equal to Y equal to 40 degree. Third is also equal. But if two angles are written, it is not necessary to always you write third angle also. On the basis of two angles also we can write the triangle QRP similar to XYZ. Now there is importance of order. Just I have written two angles QR. Now third angle remains P, QRP. Here XY written and third angle remains Z. Write down third angle Z. Now ratio of sides. Easily you can write here ratio of sides means this QR upon XY, RP upon YZ, QP upon XZ. If proper order written, easily you can write. Taking first 2 points QR, first 2 points so XY equal to second third point RP, second third point here YZ. Then PQ third to first taken, here third to first ZX, PQ upon ZX. In this pattern, we can write corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So this first theorem or criteria for similarity of triangle is known as AAA similarity. Now second, the second criteria for similarity of SSS similarity in two triangles. If corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we can say two triangles are similar. Now just observe in figure and try to find out yourself relationship between sides of these two triangles. Just to observe, and easily you can observe here. If 4 given, 4 to the 8, it implies 4 upon 8, 1 upon 2, it implies AC upon PQ equal to 1 upon 2. Second time, AB equal to 7 unit given. Here QR 14, 7 to the 14 implies AB upon QR equal to 7 upon 14 equal to 1 upon 2. And third side, 9 to the 18 it implies BC upon PR equal to 9 upon 18 equal to 1 upon 2. It implies corresponding sides are in these two triangles are AC and PQ, BC and PR, and AB and PQ. Now these sides are in the same ratio. It implies ratio we can write AB upon PQ equal to BC upon RP equal to CA upon PQ equal to 1 by 2. If ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then you can say both triangles are similar. And if triangles are similar means corresponding angles are also equal. Now corresponding angles easily you can confirm here. Then angle C equal to angle P, A equal to Q, and P equal to R. Now corresponding angles, the method by which you can search whose angles are corresponding angles. AB upon Q are written. Now AB, opposite to AB is C, opposite to QR P, therefore angle C equal to Q. Similarly here, opposite to BC A and opposite to RP Q, therefore A equal to Q. And opposite to CA angle P and opposite to PQ R. Therefore P equal to, in this pattern you can say both angles are similar. The first minimum requirement, if any two angles of one triangle equal to corresponding any two angles of second triangle, then both triangles are similar. Or second minimum requirement, if ratio of corresponding sides are same, then we can say both triangles are similar. Now next, third criteria, third theorem on similarity of triangle, SAS similarity. As written here, SAS means two sides and angle included these two sides. Our angle is between these two sides. Whenever there are two sides having common vertex, then angle means that common vertex, the angle formed by these two sides, we will consider. For example, figure drawn here. If we consider angle B, for B we will take sides BA and BC. Then you can say side, angle, side. For 40 degree, again side, then this angle, then side. Meaning of SAC means two sides and angle between these two sides, or angle formed by these two sides, we will consider as A. Now in these two triangles, by SAS, the two sides whatever given, you find the corresponding sides in second triangle, and if ratio of these two corresponding sides are same and included angle is equal, then we can say both triangles are similar. 3 written, 3 3 are 9, then 9 3 are 27, and 40 40 equal. It implies corresponding sides. You can search here AB upon QR equal to 1 upon 3, and AC upon PRR RP again 1 upon 3. It implies ratio of corresponding sides is 1 upon 3. AB upon RP equal to ratio upon RQ equal to 1 upon 3. And angle A equal to R equal to 40 degree. Angle is between these two sides, AB and AC. Angle A. Between RP and RQ, angle R. And also one easy method to consider common angle is if two sides AB and AC given, point A is common in both, therefore angle A should be there. RP and RQ written, here point R is common in both sides, therefore you should consider a angle R, not any other angle. If these two angles are also equal, then we can say triangles are similar. Now again you write triangles in proper order. So proper order, how we write? Now check. I have started from here. C B A written. Corresponding sides usually you can check. So C 9 3 are 27. It implies we start from QP. In this pattern, these two triangles are similar. Up to here, criteria of similarity covered. Three criteria are there: triple A, triple S, and SAS similarity. That is the minimum requirement to prove two triangles as similar. Next, areas of similar triangles. This is the important theorem of this chapter. Board examination also. Class 10th board exam is very important theorem for that purpose. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of triangle is equal to the square of ratio of corresponding sides. But this theorem is applicable if two triangles are similar. It implies given part is if you consider triangle ABC and PQR, two triangles ABC similar to triangle PQR. The given part is if triangle ABC is similar to PQR, then area of ABC upon area of PQR equal to ratio of corresponding sides square means AB upon PQ whole square equal to BC upon QR whole square equal to CA upon RP whole square. Construction. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Perpendicular drawn here. Up to here again just I want to repeat. Statement of theorem. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles means given part the two triangles are similar. Then we have to prove ratio of areas of two triangles equal to square of ratio of corresponding sides. Now proof. Means in triangle ABC and PQR, AM and PN are perpendicular. Therefore, area of ABC upon area of PQR, just we can apply formula half base into perpendicular. Area of ABC equal to half base means BC perpendicular AM upon half base QR perpendicular PM. Half cancel out, BC into AM upon QR into PN equal to BC upon QR into AM upon PN. Write equation first type. System is clear. Just simple I have applied formula and written. Now next step. In triangle ABM and PQN, ABM and PQN. Can you prove these two triangles are similar? Angle B equal to Q. These two angles are equal because it is given, and given means triangle ABC is similar to PQR. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, we can write B equal to Q. M equal to N equal to 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree. Region by construction. This is a part of construction. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. And if these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio means AB upon PQ equal to AM upon PM. Equation second. Also, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and ABC is similar to PQR means corresponding sides are in the same ratio means AB upon PQ equal to PC upon QR equal to CA upon RP. Equation third. Just combine second and third. Because value of AB upon PQ also given as AM upon PN. It implies in combined form we can write AM upon PN equal to AB upon PQ equal to PC upon QR equal to CA upon RP. Combine. The result which we will get, ratio of three sides are same as ratio of perpendicular. Therefore, apply from first and fourth. First and fourth means area of ABC upon area of PQR equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. In place of AM upon PN, write down BC upon QR. BC upon QR into BC upon QR equal to BC upon QR whole square. Therefore, area of ABC upon area of PQR equal to BC upon QR is same as AB upon PQ. It is also equal to CA upon RP. It implies all three. And that is the proof of this theorem. In this pattern, this important theorem, you can complete and prove the result. Now next, some important results on similarity of triangles, which are also important question for board exam. I have written these as results because these are important questions, but we can use these results in solving other questions directly. Therefore, I have not written as question number 1 or example 1, just I have written result 1. Whenever required, you can use these results in other questions. First result is if two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of corresponding median. Given part, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we have to prove ratio of corresponding sides equal to ratio of corresponding median means AB upon PQ equal to PC upon QR equal to CA upon RP equal to AM upon PN. Here AM and PN are median. Median means take midpoint of BC join from A, which is known as median of side BC. Here N is midpoint of RP. Meaning of theorem is clear. If two triangles are similar, already you know corresponding sides are in the same ratio, but ratio of sides are same as ratio of medians of triangle. If two triangles are similar. Now in proof, since ABC is similar to PQR, therefore directly we can write corresponding angles are equal, means A equal to P, B equal to Q and C equal to, and also ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Equation second. First and second equation from definition I have written. If two triangles are similar. Now it is also equal to ratio of median, which we are going to prove from here. AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. BC we can write as 2 times of BM because M is midpoint, and QR we can write as 2 times of QN. To cancel out equal to BM upon QN. Now equation third. Now ABM and PQN. Just observe here ABM and PQN. Try to prove these two triangles are similar, and it is very easy to prove. AB upon PQ equal to BM upon QN from equation third, just covered here, proved here, and angle B equal to Q. We have to going to apply here SCS similarity. SCS case the process to apply AB and BM. B is common in both, therefore angle B. PQ and QN. Q in both present means angle Q. B equal to Q. B equal to Q from equation first is given. Two triangles are similar, therefore B equal to Q. Therefore, by SCS similarity, both triangles are similar. And if both triangles are similar, then you can say corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now note down corresponding sides means AB upon PQ equal to AM upon PN. Now final result from second and fourth. In second equation we have written AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to CA upon RP. In fourth, AB upon PQ is AM upon PN, which is equal to AM upon PN, and that is the result. In this pattern, first important result which we are going to cover here, that whenever two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides is same as ratio of corresponding medians. Now next important result. Second, if two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of corresponding altitudes. Now, first question, what is the meaning of altitude? Altitude means from any vertex if it is perpendicular on opposite side, then it is known as altitude of that side. Means here AM is perpendicular to BC. Here PN perpendicular to QR. Therefore PN and AM are altitudes on sides QR and BC. Again, given part, both triangles are similar. We have to prove ratio of sides is same as ratio of altitudes. Now proof. Since triangle ABC is similar to PQR, therefore corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides are same. First, second equation already found. Now, again, like previous theorem, take ABM and PQN and try to prove similar. M equal to N equal to 90 degree. Reason? By construction, both are perpendicular. B equal to Q from first because both triangles are similar. Therefore, ABM similar to PQN by AA similar to, and if both triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means AB upon PQ equal to AM upon PM. And if corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then from second and fourth, you will get final result AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to CA upon RQ, which is equal to corresponding altitude means AM upon PM. Second result is completed here. Now third result, which is also important. If two triangles are similar, again apply from same process. Ratio of corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of corresponding angle bisector segment. In first result, I take consider for median. Second result, altitude. Now third one is for angle bisector. Given part is same. In to prove, ratio of corresponding sides is same as ratio of angle bisector means AM upon PM. Here AM and PM are angle bisector. Angle bisector means AM divides this angle A in two equal parts. And here PN divides angle P in two equal parts. Therefore, it is known as angle bisector. Now in proof, first we start with the help of given part. And given part means triangle ABC similar to PQR. And if two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides are same. Now next task, we have to take triangle ABM and PQN. BAM equal to QPM. BAM means this angle equal to angle P, half angle. Because the angle A equal to P, both angles are equal means corresponding angle. Half of these two angles are also equal, therefore these two angles are equal, means it is known as bisector. Bisector means it divides angle A and P in equal parts. And B equal to Q, it is question first are given. Therefore again both triangles are similar, and if triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means AB upon PQ equal to AM upon P. Then from second and fourth, we can write result AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to CA upon R, and which is equal to AM upon PN. Here AM and PN are angle bisectors, because AM upon PN equal to from fourth given as AB upon PQ. Three results we have covered here, and proof and derivation is same. It is also important questions for board purpose. Therefore, I have covered in this video results of these three. First result is if two triangles are similar, then ratio of sides is same as ratio of median. Ratio of sides are same as ratio of angle bisector. Ratio of sides are same as ratio of altitudes. Now, fourth result. In fourth result, if two triangles are similar, again on the basis of same, then ratio of corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of perimeters of two triangles. Here we are using the concept of perimeter. Now given part is same. If two triangles means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Both triangles are similar. And we have to prove ratio of corresponding sides is same as ratio of perimeter. Perimeter means sum of sides of triangle. Perimeter of ABC we can write as AB plus BC plus CA. Perimeter of PQR means PQ plus QR plus RQ. So ratio of sides are same as ratio of perimeter. This result we have to prove. Now proof. We start with given part. In given part means triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and if two triangles are similar means corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and also you can say corresponding angles are equal. If corresponding sides are in the same ratio, so let AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to CA upon RP as K, which is a constant. So therefore, AB upon PQ equal to K means AB equal to K times of PQ. Similarly, BC equal to K times of QR and CA equal to K times of RP. Now, just calculate perimeter. AB plus BC plus CA equal to K times of PQ plus K times of QR plus K times of RP. K common, PQ plus QR plus RP. Our next step, divide by PQ plus QR plus RP in both sides. You will get AB plus BC plus CA equal to PQ plus QR plus RP equal to K. Here equation first, we have completed his ratio of sides as K, and here after solving we are getting ratio of perimeter is also K. From first and second combined from result we can write as the ratio of sides of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of perimeter of two triangles. In this pattern, based on similarity of triangles, four results I have covered. First for medians, second result for altitudes, third for angle bisector, and fourth for perimeter. Whenever required, you can apply these results in solving the question. Therefore, I have not written these as question, I have written these as results on similarity of triangles. Now, some questions for practice which you have to complete. First question, areas of two similar triangles given as 121 cm square and 64 cm square. Median of first triangle is given 12.1. Find the corresponding median of second triangle. Easily you can think, using result 1 you can solve it. The ratio of sides are same as the ratio of median. Then after that apply areas of two similar triangles. After that you can solve it. Question number 2. Perimeter of two similar triangles given as 25 and 15. If one side of first triangle is 9 cm, find the corresponding side of other triangle. It is based on fourth result which we have covered in the video. The ratio of sides of two similar triangles is same as ratio of perimeters of both the triangles. And third question, if areas of two similar triangles are equal, means consider triangle as ABC and PQR. If area of ABC equal to area of PQR, then we have to prove both triangles are congruent. Congruent means sides are equal. In this pattern you have to complete these questions and submit the answer.